Hi, I'm Mike, and today we're going to be looking at how to install the A2B bypass kit. Before we begin, please remember, proper maintenance, inspection, and safe operation are equally important to prevent accidents and equipment failure. Only perform maintenance if you're trained, qualified, and following all manufacturer, employer, and government safety rules. Use the correct tools and equipment in a proper workspace. Your safety and that of others is the top priority. If an operator doesn't need or want to utilize the anti-2 block system on the D47I, this kit can be installed to disable the system. The A2B bypass kit contains everything you need for the install: a jumper connector assembly, an empty connector, a wedge lock, and 12 seal plugs. Step 1. Assemble the wedge lock and seal plugs into the empty connector. Step 2. Locate the wireless A2B receiver. Step 3. Unplug the harness from the receiver, insert jumper assembly into harness plug, and insert seal plug into receiver. And that's it. Thanks for watching this Elliott Equipment Company Tech Tips video. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, feel free to contact Elliott Aftersales Support at 531-772-0829. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.